Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight we're going to be talking about a skincare product. I came across the company about, I want to say about 3 months ago, maybe a little less. The company is called Sqin. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you are enjoying the content. Thanks again for all the constant support you guys show me, all the love. Finally hit that 1,000 mark. It feels good. Right now though, I'm not really worried about that. I just want to make sure I get good content out for you guys that's informative, that's good. And not too long of videos. I know I got a bad habit of making long videos, and I apologize for that. But anyway, tonight we're going to go over a company called Sqin. They're a company out of San Diego that I reached out to about 3 months ago, and it's been a while. I've been using it ever since. They sent me a sunscreen, a moisturizer, and a cleanser for my face. I've used a lot of skincare products for the last 7 or 8 months. I've used a few different ones. They all work really good. There's not one that I didn't like. I got a couple of reviews actually coming up of different skincare products. But this company called Sqin sticks out the most. The presentation is awesome. How it works on my skin personally, my skin feels great. It's moisturized. It don't feel dry or nothing after I get done using it. Usually before I started taking care of my face, I'd jump in the shower, wash my face with some hard soap, get out, and my face would it'd feel like it would be really super dry. Would never use lotion rather. It was really dry. Right about when I started doing my reviews, I tried the one company and it worked great. I can't remember the name of it. So that I was like, wow, taking care of my face, it feels good, it looks better, it feels better, just all around it was awesome. So I tried out a few different types of products. Like I said, I got a few reviews coming up of different skincare products. This company stuck out the most, like I said, because it worked the best. The reason why I'm doing the review first. And the company is called Sqin, and it's Sqin. And it's an all organic, plant-based ingredients, non-toxic, dual action. This is the moisturizer. And check out the bottles. How cool is that? I mean, presentation is a lot, but man, this is on point. And in the moisturizer, it's got a ton of ingredients that I'll just go ahead and let you guys pause the video if you want to read that. And I use this twice a day. When I wake up, I wash my face with it, and before I go to bed at night. This can be used for your regular after wash moisturizer or an aftershave. I've used it up here for an aftershave, and again, it feels good. It doesn't burn. It works really well, and the consistency of it, I'll go ahead and throw some on real quick. The consistency of it, I hope you guys can see that. It's just like any other moisturizer. Probably can't see that. It's like any other moisturizer. I'll go ahead and rub it in my hand. And it just feels good. It feels good after you wash your face. Scent wise, it's like, I got it like a green smell. It doesn't stink by all means. It's a really good moisturizer, and it works really well on my skin. And this moisturizer is the one out of, I think, the 2 or 3 other companies that I've tried. This one works the best. That's the moisturizer. The cleanser comes in the same box. This is a 2-in-1 hybrid cleanser. And again, if you guys want to pause the video and read all the ingredients. And on the side of the box, it's a 2-in-1 hybrid cleanser, removes dirt, sweat, dead skin, bacteria, and pollutants from your face, leaving it feeling refreshed, moisturized as shave cream, and effectively softens whiskers and lubricates your skin for a smooth, comfortable shave. So you can use this as a shave gel as well as a cleanser. Cleansing wise, it don't have the grit in it. As you can see, it just looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like a regular, normal soap type consistency. And again, the smell is like a green smell. It smells really good. When I get in a shower, I wet my face down. I'll pump about 4 or 5 pumps, get it lathered, and just scrub my face in a circular motion for about 2 minutes. And then I'll wash it off, and like I get out of the shower, I throw the moisturizer on, and it absolutely makes my skin feel like brand new. It's like a coat of skin. It's like a brand new. I couldn't spit that out. It's like a brand new coat of skin on your skin. It just feels crazy amazing. And that was the cleanser. Really good quality products. And last but not least is the sunscreen. I wasn't able to use this too much this year. Designed to be used daily, our moisturizer mineral sunscreen has advanced protection to defend your face against the sun's harmful UV rays. The nourishing formula helps prevent premature signs of aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. Active ingredients, zinc oxide 20%. And again, if you guys want to pause the video and read the directions, you're more than welcome to. And this is SPF 30. And the consistency of this, again, it's just like a cream. I have used this probably about 5 or 6 times. It doesn't leave your skin white. I know when you put some sunscreens on, it'll just leave like a coat of white stuff on you. This one does go on white, but actually, let me just show you. Okay, put it on my arm. I use 1 pump. And I hope you guys can see that. And see, normally it goes like that, and the other companies, it don't come off, well, at least for me. And you rub it in, and you don't see anything. And the smell, this has more of a like kind of a bland, woody type aroma like any other sunscreen would. Like I said, guys, I've been using these for about 3 months, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. The cleanser comes in a 5 fluid ounce, and the moisturizer and sunscreen comes in a 4 fluid ounce. I highly recommend, if you're looking for a good skin cleanser for your face, check Sqin out. I'll leave everything down in the description box below, guys. This is a great company. If you're looking to, have your face feel good, refreshed, just moisturized, like I said, it's like a new armor of skin over your skin. It feels amazing after using these products. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me tonight on this review. I appreciate it. Everything will be in the description box below. I'd like to thank the guys and gals at Sqin for sending out these products for review. I appreciate that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Until the next review, peace.